Hi, welcome to Hot Tub Studio. Today I'm going to talk to you about an issue that many hot tub owners experience with their tubs as they start getting older, and that's the issue of the jets popping out of the jet housings. This is something that affects jets made by Waterway and jets made by CMP, and it's the click and twist jets that you push into the jet and twist and they grip with these little tags on the back here. Okay, so Waterway and CMP typically make their twist and click jets in 4 different sizes. There's one with a 2-inch face, which Waterway call Cluster Storm. There's one which typically has a 3-inch face, which Waterway call their Mini Storm. You've got the one with a 4-inch face, which Waterway call Poly Storm, and then the one that typically has a 5-inch face, which is the Power Storm jet. Each jet has a different size of diffuser. You can get replacement diffusers for all 4 different sizes for both Waterway and CMP jets. However, in practice, I've found it very difficult to change the diffusers on the large 5-inch jets, typically because there's other plastic components inside the diffuser that normally corrode as well, and you can't easily get those. So if you've got a problem with one of these larger 5-inch jets, it's easier to replace the complete jet. On the 2-inch size Waterway jet, which is the one they call Cluster Storm, you'll notice here there are 2 different types of diffuser. One has the extended tags and one just has a completely flat top, so you need to make sure you get the right size of diffuser if you're going to replace them. Okay, the CMP jets come in the same sizes. However, you do find with some of the 4-inch face jets, you can get a larger face on there, typically used by Jacuzzi and several other manufacturers. So they do have the same back, but they do have a different size face on them. Okay, the issue that causes the jets to pop out is normally the fact that these tags that you see on both sides become weak or even break off, and that causes the jet to fall out. It may be though that the jet diffuser, this white part here, has actually come off because this little tag here is broken. That's where it's located. There's one on each side. And if they break, you can find that the face of the jet comes off and the diffuser is left in the housing. So by way of a demonstration, I'm going to change the diffuser on this 3-inch CMP jet. Hopefully you can see that this diffuser has become a bit crusty, potentially because the pH in the tub hasn't been maintained correctly. It's become a bit crusty and a bit weak, and these tags are weak and causing the jet to come out. So the easiest way to remove the diffuser is to break these tags here with a screwdriver. You can see that one's already started. This is a spinning jet, so it's got bearing in it, so we need to make sure we don't lose the parts of bearing when we take it apart. So to take the remaining tag off, what I'll do is just poke a screwdriver underneath there, ease it in, and you'll see it will fracture there. Then I can prise the old diffuser off. A little bit stiff, but keep it upside down so that when I take the diffuser off, we keep the internal parts of the jet intact. Okay, so prior to refitting the new diffuser, I'm just going to give that a bit of a clean up in some warm water just to take off the scale. You're not going to be able to get it all out without dismantling the bearing, but I'll just take off the majority around the outside. And I'll just place that back in position. Now, before fitting a new diffuser, it's a good idea to warm that in some hot water just to make it a bit more compliant when you push the diffuser onto the jet face. Crucial thing when refitting a diffuser is to make sure you get it the right way round. You'll see the diffusers have a cutout at the end. If you get that 180 degrees out, the jet will never work properly because you won't get the right amount of water flowing. So on a CMP jet back like this, when you're holding the face in front of you, hold the diffuser with a cutout at the top, and the locating tag in the face should be in the 10 o'clock position. It is possible to fit it 180 degrees out, in which case it won't work, as I say. But have it with the cutout in the top and the tag in the 10 o'clock position, and then just push the diffuser on and it will locate on those tags. Make sure that the jet spins freely, which it does. It's properly located, that's nice and tight now, so that's ready to go back in the tub. On the Waterway equivalent, it's not so easy to get the diffuser on the wrong way around because it does actually have a little locating tag here. You've got to make sure that the tag on the back of the jet face fits in that slot there, and if you do that, you've got it the right way round. Again, cut out at 12 o'clock and the locating tag at 10 o'clock. At Hot Tub Studio, we are able to supply a wide range of waterway and CMP jet diffusers, and also a wide range of waterway and CMP complete jets in the different sizes and the different styles. So if you're after anything in particular, make an inquiry at hottubstudio.co.uk, and myself or one of our staff or my able-bodied assistant who's been helping me with this video will be able to help you. Thanks for watching.